breakfast time. Quick little something to eat before we head off to the
famous bathhouse. I don't know how to call it. What to call it.
Me either. But nice little breakfast. I'm starving.
15 euros.
15 euros each. Let's eat. Alrighty, day 2 in Budapest, and we are on our way to the Széchenyi thermal pool, the most famous thermal pool out here. You'll know it when you see the video. But yeah, it's about probably 15-minute scooter ride away.
The sun's out.
The sun's out. It's a beautiful fucking day. About to be a great day. Yes. All right, it's the beginning of the adventures.
And we slept good last night.
Slept good.
It's fucking on.
It's on, baby. All right, peace. Alrighty, short scooter ride later, and we are here.
Made it.
About to head inside the thermal pools.
Relax.
Snow line, so let's
Get to it.
try it out.
Try it out.
Let's do it. We're getting in. Oh, it feels better once you're in. Feels better once you're in.
Yeah, it does.
I still don't know what this is called though. Mm-hmm. Exactly. Alright, seeing it's cold. May dunk in the water. Alright, we're gonna go check out some of the other pools, the indoor pools. Might be a little Okay, here we go. Sauna. Like a sauna. Alrighty. We completed the first thermal bath. Heading to go get Scooter now to ride back to the apartment, and then we have a tour, little city tour. What's his name? At 2 o'clock. So that was awesome. Here we go. Alrighty, we are heading over to by the Ferris Wheel to meet up with our
guide for the next little bit.
The next hour and a half around the city.
Yeah.
Show us some things. We got some questions we gotta ask, and yeah. Then we'll hit the market tonight, the food market hall or whatever.
Yeah.
Hit some Christmas markets and
try some goulash.
Yeah, try some stuff out. All right, great sirens. We're out here. Peace. Okay, so we just got done with our walking tour and it was amazing.
So cool.
The guy was very knowledgeable
Yeah.
and we saw a lot of cool shit.
Told us a lot about the history.
And now we're definitely considering living here. I need to take a picture of this building because it's super beautiful. So we're headed to the city market,
Central
Market Hall or whatever, to get some food and check out some other things. Maybe find a souvenir for the first time. All right, peace. All right, we are heading to Christmas market in Budapest. And Ruin Bar, which is a bar built from ruins. You'll see. Stay tuned. That steamy hot wine.
Hot wine.
Thank you. That's it.
Dinner.
All right, going upstairs. What the fuck? Yo, this is so fucking crazy. This is so cool. Got that chimney cake. And it's hot, hot, hot. Well, delicious too, huh?